Heart starts beating out my chest. Breath strains in and out. Fought this feeling long enough. Can't escape you now. Just a word, just a glimpse. I'm a soul in eclipse overtaking. My defense is for you, the altar call for my saving. Ooh, take me higher, take me higher, take me higher than I have reached in heaven before. Take me higher, take me higher. You'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we were soaring. Going higher, higher, higher. Going higher. Higher, higher. We'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we were soaring. Going higher, higher.
Okay, I'm so high that you take my breath away. Get a little closer every step I take. My time, my money, my ease. Take it all from me till it ain't nothing left, okay. I got a brand new feeling. Take me up, need a brand new ceiling. Said you can't do, but man, you did it. Tryna live without you, like damn, you tripping. I love just how you come put it down. Come make heaven open up. I was lost, but now I'm found. Right here deep inside your love. Know you move on your own time. Just don't make me wait too much. Cause on the ground I get tired. Come reach out to me, take me higher, yeah.
Take me higher, take me higher than I have reached in heaven before.
Come on.
Take me higher, take me higher. You'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we were soaring. Going higher, higher, higher.
Come take me high, come take me high. Come take me high, come take me high, take me high.
Higher, higher. We'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we were soaring. Going higher, higher.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No, I need it, beat it, before you mess up the mood. Yeah, ooh, I worked too hard for it, and I need it, so please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't fill up whatever you missing, or you like it up at the top. It's a better view in it. I'm not surprised at all. No way. Hey, what you need? Come on, just pay the fee. I supply it all. Went up the mountain and it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. You see, so please don't mess up the mood. I worked too hard for it. No, I need to beat it. Oh, you mess up the mood. Alright. Ooh, I worked too hard for it. And I need it. So please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah. Oh, come on. I worked too hard for it. Yeah. Don't mess up the mood.
Jet black marker pushing hard as you scribble out my face, tarnishing a work of art. Funny how we fall apart. Fool to thinking we were the real thing. Was it just a shiny frame? I thought we were a masterpiece, but I was just imagining. Now I'm collecting dust, so far from what was. We were a thing of beauty, but we faded over time. And now it's like you never knew me. You've erased us from your mind. You took a new color, you covered the portrait underneath. We were a thing of beauty, but now the beauty can't be seen. Color swatches, assessing your options as you move on from me. Were we just a forgery? Trying to be the actual thing. Blank white canvas, peeled off plastic display for all to see. Starting you so hastily, thoughtlessly erasing me. Now I'm collecting dust, so far from what was. We were a thing of beauty, but we faded over time. And now it's like you never knew me. You've erased us from your mind. You took a new color, you covered the portrait underneath. We were a thing of beauty, but now the beauty can't be seen. Though you've read my canvas, hard to stress. I'm learning to hit fashion it. Every brushstroke getting bolder, brand new me, hardly know her.